Today we're driving this 2024 Nissan Frontier in this new Bluestone pearl color. This vehicle does have the intelligent cruise control, so if you turn it on and you can set the distance, and it will slow down or speed up depending on what the distance you have it set at. We're gonna exit here. This is SV model, two-wheel drive. If you'd like to check out fully loaded Pro 4X model, I made a video on that one as well. I'll leave it here somewhere on the screen. And this does have the convenience package, so you have your heated seats, heated steering wheel, bed liner, tow package. This does not have leather seats. You can get leather if you get the premium package in Pro 4X or this year SL model as well. Blind spot detector,